Good morning from Noosa. Guys, I'm so excited for today. It's been one of those days where I'm looking forward to it the whole time in Australia. Headed to the Australian Zoo. For those of you who know me, I freaking loved Steve Irwin growing up, and he's the reason why I'm so passionate about animals. So excited to see his sanctuary. Let's do this. Just stopped at the roadside cafe to grab a quick takeaway breakfast on our way to the zoo. The Steve Irwin Zoo. Yeah. We're looking forward to it. Oh, it's spiky. We're getting a nice breakfast on our way. Mom, we've made it. How many episodes of the crocodile hunt did I watch growing up?
Probably 50 gazillion.
I think that's
more.
a little. Yeah, I think that's a little more than that. Oh my gosh, guys, we're freaking here.
There's a dark part of town where the girls get down, and I cannot wait for a chance to go. Wait for a chance to go. Got my bad luck shoes and every excuse to dance these blues away. Ain't coming home. I ain't coming home. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Sit up, sit up, sit up. It's a kangaroo court. A kangaroo court. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Sit up, sit up, sit up. It's a kangaroo court. A kangaroo court. In a dusty room, I come to assume that I've been doomed to lose my mind tonight. Too weak to fight. So I try to save face and I rest my case. The judge pulls me aside, says, "C'est la vie. Let your darker side come out to feed."
Koala bears.
Shut up, shut up, shut up. Sit up, sit up, sit up. It's a kangaroo court. A kangaroo court. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Sit up, sit up, sit up.
Showtime. Time for the Crocodile. Guys, this is like a sports arena, except the main event is crocodiles. Look at this. What an awesome show. So many amazing animals. Guys, it is pouring. But that's okay. Hopefully the kangaroos stay dry enough for us to go see them soon.
I can't do sexy.
Alright guys, just found another big lizard. Time to catch him. Where is he? There he is.
Oh, he's found another friend.
Stop, you're okay.
He's beautiful. Wow.
The rain has finally stopped.
It has,
We are headed
'cause we bought
into
these.
Roo Heaven.
Or Poo Heaven.
Let's go pet some kangaroos.
I commit the crime of wasting time, always trying to rhyme. Yes, I am guilty, but don't misunderstand me. I admit defeat, then I move my feet. My history will never be repeated. I won't ever be repeated.
Guys, they've got sweet spots, just like dogs. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels so good. Oh. Oh yeah. This is pretty freaking awesome. Just chilling with my homie. just hanging out with the koala.
They have to come into
Like
captivity.
Congress would actually mess with.
Yeah, they say they can't compete for space.
Shut up, shut up, shut up. Sit up, sit up, sit up. It's a kangaroo court. A kangaroo court. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Sit up, sit up, sit up. It's a kangaroo court. A kangaroo court. In a dusty room, I come to assume that I've been doomed to lose my mind tonight. Too weak to fight. So I try to save face and I rest my case. The judge pulls me aside, says, "C'est la vie. Let your darker side come out to feed." Shut up, shut up, shut up. Sit up, sit up, sit up. It's a kangaroo court. A kangaroo court. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Sit up, sit up, sit up. It's a kangaroo court. A kangaroo court.
What an amazing zoo. Guys, a little pricey, worth every penny.
So worth it.
It's you gotta check it out.
Best zoo I've ever been to.
Yeah, I agree. Very, very, very good zoo.
Shut up, shut up, shut up. Sit up, sit up, sit up. It's a kangaroo court. A kangaroo court. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Sit up, sit up, sit up. It's a kangaroo court.
Guys, so part of traveling is the people that you meet along the journey. And just met up with one of my good friends who I rode motorbikes with in Vietnam. Lionel, you are the man. So glad we were able to grab dinner and catch up, drink some beers, and meet your family as well as you get to meet my family. Guys, this is traveling is all about. I freaking love it. It's all about the people.